All right, good day, Justice and Chibeze. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create your animation characters and also how to animate them. I'm going to be showing you the tools you can use to create all these animations. So if you check my personal feeds here on Leonardo AI, you see these are characters I've created. These are different characters I've created for a short story I'm creating right now and a short movie. And you can create your own characters like this using prompts Leonardo AI like this one. So you see here, if you check the prompt for if you're trying to create something like this, you see it has a prompt here. If I click and click remix, so for you, you could just remix. I will send you a link to my prompt or send you this prompt if you want to, but you can just type in your own prompt here and also have this negative prompt here, and you should be able to generate something really very amazing for you. So you see here, this is the negative prompt. Negative prompts, you put things you don't want the picture to bring out. Like you don't want it to crop the person's head. You don't want the character to have 6 fingers. Then here you can see I put in a village. Okay. In a village, small boy and courageous child named Alex, because I came over here. One of the tools you're going to be using here is called ChatGPT. So here you actually generate your story here from ChatGPT. You can see the links here already to ChatGPT. You see, I told it to create a thrilling children fiction story that would inspire kids to be legendary. So it came up with this story. You can see you can create your own stories using ChatGPT. Then you use Leonardo AI to generate the images you use for your story. This is where you go and generate. So make sure you set up your account and you go and generate your own images. If you want to give the images a bit of animation, make it move, you could come here and use convert.layerpics. You can look at the link here, convert.layerpics.com here. So you see, I was able to animate that character. And another tool you'll be using if you want to convert the text you generated here to somebody narrating it, or if you want to narrate it yourself, of course you can record yourself narrating the story. But if you want a better voice, you can use Speechify. So you see Speechify here gives you several voices you could use. You can test these voices. For instance, here, if I use this narration, here you can see.
Once upon a time, in the peaceful village of Cloverbrook.
If you want to change the voice, you can always change the voice here to something else, or you want to change the voice, go through and see other voices, and you can click all to see all the voices and go through the voices. But you should be able to find something very nice from here. So you're using Speechify, and for you to use Speechify for a lifetime, I'm going to show you how to do it. Once you come here, let's go back. So let's just say you want to convert the story you generated from here. You copy the story, you come to Speechify, you click new, you click text document, and you put the title of the text document. Let's just say quest story. Let's say quest story here, and I type in the text, and make sure you remove areas you don't want the voice to actually narrate, and click submit. Right now we have the story. So the next thing you want to do here to record the story and save the file on your computer so you can use it on Canva, which is one of the tools you're going to be using. You upload all your files here on Canva and create your story or your animation. So you need this tool here. It's called Chrome Audio Capture. You need it once you set up your Speechify account, app.speechify.com. You need this tool here. So how do you add it to your Chrome extension? Let me show you. You click this little dot here. You come over here to where you see settings, and let's see, you navigate to where you see Chrome extensions. You see I already have it, Chrome Audio Capture. So but you don't have it, so you just come over here, click over here and click open web store. You're trying to get it from the web store, and this is how you get these applications. And once you come here, you can just click audio capture right here. If you scroll down, you should see it. Look at it right here, click it. So you can see for me it's telling me to remove. I already have it, that's why it's telling me to remove. For you, you will install it and follow the whole process and make sure it's installed. And once it's installed, you should see it up here. You might not see it, you might need to click this button here and pin it. You can see here I pinned mine. If I unpin it, it goes out, but if I pin it, it shows up there. So now if I want to record this speech I have on Speechify, this is how I will record it. I will come over here, click the button, red button, and click start capture and tap on the
Once upon a time, in the peaceful village of Cloverbrook.
So you might just change the voice. Make sure you listen to it before you start recording. You make sure you like the voice once you selected the voice you want to use for your recording. So once you've done that, you can just click this and save the capture that you were recording. Once you click save the capture like this, it should save the file to your computer. So I can just name it quest narration. Just save it to my computer, and so I have the file on my computer. So now you're going to be using Canva, your Canva account. So you see on Canva here, you can just click on Canva home. You can just select a dimension, and you can use 1080 if you're creating for a laptop screen or for a TV. You can set up your customization here to be maybe 1980 by 1080 pixel. So once you do that, you should be able to just click create, and it should open a new canvas for you. If you come to Leonardo AI, like here now, you could generate your own images and use the images. Let's just say boy running. Let's just put boy running and see if it gives us a image of a boy running in a village, small boy. Let's just try it and see if it's going to give us a nice image you can use. So you see, very beautiful image, a boy running. So if I want to use this, I will just download it, click the download image, or just right click and click save image like this and save the image. So right now I have the image. I can just upload it to my Canva. Let me take that out. Okay, so right here I can just click upload here on Canva, navigate here to where you see upload. So you see some images I've already uploaded. I can just click upload, and the image I just downloaded, the boy running. Look at the boy running here. So I have it here. I can just place it on the Canva and arrange it, just maybe stretch it out to fit in. So you see boy running. So if I want to duplicate this, I can just do Ctrl D and it duplicates. So but if we upload the audio file, if you want to upload your audio file that we recorded and we saved using Speechify, you remember using Speechify and this Chrome extension. Look at it here, right here. So we can upload the audio file. So the audio file could play and it narrates the story, and we use Leonardo AI to generate the kind of images that would sync with the story being narrated. Hope you get it. So I'll just click narration and drag this audio to the beginning here, and if I click duration, it should bring in the play button here, so I can play.
Upon a time, in the peaceful village of Cloverbrook, there lived a young and courageous child named Alex.
So you see, you can be adding images to sections that speak about certain things. So in a small village, I can just use the image. Oh, sorry, let me just remove this image. So I have an image that shows a boy in a village. Let me see. I actually created it with Leonardo, so let me just upload the image too. I think this is the image. So the image you see is not really an image, it's a video. So if I bring it in, it actually has animation because I took it to Layer Pix, and what Layer Pix does is once you click here and you upload an image, it would give the image some little animation, for it. Like for the boy running, we can try it out for the boy running, and if I click the image, let's click this image and I bring it here, so it will take some time to load, and it's going to actually give the image a little bit of animation so that you don't just have static images when you're using Canva to create your animation story. So if I click this, you can see it's a 4-second video. I can add it here to the first page. I can increase it like this, so you can see the image looks like it's moving. So you can use it to narrate your story. So if you click play.
Upon a time, in the peaceful village of Cloverbrook, there lived a young and courageous child named Alex.
So you see, this is how you can keep adding different scenes and adding more pictures to. As you can see, if you click down here, it will show you your audio down here, and it shows you your images or the videos you've generated from using layer picks. So you can see here it has given this image a little bit of movement. So you can use it to narrate, create stories, and it's really very amazing what you can do with these AI tools. To do your assignment, what you're going to be doing and submitting to me to my email is use ChatGPT first of all to create your story or your script for your story. Then use Speechify and add it and actually record it when it's playing, narrating your story. Record it using this extension. Once you tap and it finishes, make sure you save it to your computer. Once you have your audio file, you can now bring it to Canva here, select a canvas, set your dimensions, and start creating your story. And if you have any issues, you could actually ask. If you bump into any issues, you could send me a message, and you can send me an email. All right, so have a great time creating your animation story. Bye, Justice, and bye, Chibueze. See you.